Hi guys, I'm Maria from Maria Louise Design, and today I'm going to share a quick tutorial with you on how to crochet the magic ring, or known as the magic loop, and why I love to use this technique. Stay tuned. All right, so let's get started. Let's learn how to make a magic ring or a magic loop. All right, so taking your yarn that I have here, you're going to start with the non-working end. You're going to pinch it between your thumb and your middle finger. You're going to loop it around your index and your middle finger, creating an X. See that there? You're going to flip your hand over and pinch that working tail between your pinky and your ring. All right? Front side, you have a little X. Back side, you have those two loops. All right? So grabbing your crochet hook, you're going to go under the first loop. You're going to grab that second loop and pull through. All right? You're going to grab that working end and pull through that loop. Did you guys see that? Let me do it again. Okay. So tail end, pinched, wrapped around, make an X. Flip your hand over between your pinky and your ring finger. You're going to hold it, okay? You're going to take your crochet hook. You're going to go under the first, grab the second, pull it through. Good. You're going to grab the working end and then just slip that through and pull through, okay? So there you have it. If I slide this off my fingers, you can see that you have a magic ring. Okay? I'm going to work a couple of single crochets into this guy while I have you guys here so that you can see what it looks like when you pull that tail end through and kind of close down the loop. Just going to put a couple in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for good luck. There you go. All right, and now you have kind of this tail end piece here. All right, and what we're going to do is give this little guy a little tug, and you'll see maybe that this actually starts to close down and make a nice little tight circle. All right, I'm going to slip stitch in before I pull it one last time so that I can actually see my stitches here. Okay, so there's your little ring, right? I think I can get that a little tighter, so I'm going to grab this tail and give it a little squeeze. Yep. And there you have it. Okay, so now that you know how to actually crochet a magic ring, I want to share with you why I think this technique is far superior than some of the others to start your crochet project. I have two little examples here, and my kind of reasoning is, if this is your magic ring, right, look how tight and nice and neat that is. If you can kind of see it, if my camera will actually zoom in on it. I love the way the bottom stays nice and tight. There's no loops, there's no holes. And this is another technique that I started with, the typical chain 4 or 5, and then chain or crochet into the chain space. And I just don't like, you can see kind of daylight through that little hole. So that's kind of my reasoning of why I actually like to use the magic loop as my starting place for most of my crochet projects, because I like a nice clean cut circle at the bottom. So it's quick and easy for me to start my projects, and I hope you guys learned something new today. Make sure if you like this video to click the button below. Any questions or comments, make sure to hit us up in the comment section. I get to them almost every day, and we love hearing from you guys. Also, if you want to share along with Rich and I on all of our adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of great content coming up here shortly. So with that said, have a great day, and we'll talk real soon.